This is GoFindMe. GoFindMe is an off-grid GPS tracker. Supports 2 or more devices pairing. It is super easy to find your people by each other's real-time location, direction, and distance. In-app notification and voice messages allow you to keep in group activities at all times. One-button SOS and route sharing make the rescue easier and faster. All without network and Wi-Fi. No SIM card, no subscription, no monthly fees required. GoFindMe uses a new approach to GPS. A private long-range and low-power network is created automatically between devices to send GPS coordinates with point-to-point range of up to 5 miles. GoFindMe supports up to 32 group members and lasts up to 72 hours on one single charge. GoFindMe is crafted to endure the harshest environments. It is dust-proof, waterproof, and shock-proof. With a clasp, you can easily clip it to a bag or pet collar. GoFindMe is more than a GPS tracker. You can set a meeting place on offline maps to gather group members easily. With Mesh, your group's connectivity range is automatically expanded through members to members. A safe zone feature alerts you when anyone crosses the boundary you set. It's great for kids and pets too. Message reaches fast and safety is guarded. That's it with GoFindMe with more peace of mind. Find your friend in large crowds. Never worry again where your group is. Reunite easily. Allow your kids to explore with more confidence. No more worrying, wandering again. Get your GoFindMe today to find your people anywhere, anytime.